Renovated floors can be enhanced by creative techniques. Firstly, the floor is lacquered with PU color. One possibility is strewing colored chips. They are strewn onto the still wet PU color surface with a Dr. Schutz chipper or by hand, giving the floor that special something. Selected motifs or logos can be applied using the foil technique. Align the foil and fix it with adhesive tape. With a felt spreader, you can then stick the foil down cleanly. In this process, excess air bubbles are rubbed out from under the foil, thus guaranteeing ideal adhesion. Colorful motifs, sports field markings, or practical signposting can be integrated using templates. To do this, the template is placed onto the dry surface. Thereafter, the lacquer of the selected color is applied. After a short drying time, the template foil is removed. This process is similar to the foil technique, except in negative. It is recommended that a color is selected which only needs one coat to fully cover the surface. An interesting design can also be achieved by the trowel technique. To begin with, the floor is lacquered with PU color. Subsequently, a further color coat is applied with a flexible trowel. This second color should be a little lighter or darker than the first. The shade of the colors should be very close in hue. The lighter color should be applied in a thin coat. Some of this lacquer remains in the small surface irregularities of the floor. This creates the pattern, which is similar to marbling or a concrete look. The wrap roller technique brings a special pattern to the floor. First, a basic color is applied to the whole area of the floor with PU color. Then onto the dry lacquer, a slightly different color from the basic tone is applied to the floor with a decor stamp and a decor roller. It is also possible to work with several colors. In this way, you create a visual effect which very closely resembles that of marbled linoleum floors. In the corners and at the edges, the decor stamp is used. After the edges, the area within is worked on with the decor roller in the same system. In this way, an unsystematic pattern is created, which has a very inviting and exciting effect. No matter which creative technique you choose, the resulting surface is then lacquered with the transparent PU sealer or PU Anticolor. You can choose the gloss grade individually from ultramatte to glossy, and with additives you can achieve the slip resistance safety class from R9 to R11, depending on the situation and the requirements of the building. In this way, you get creatively designed floors which are optimally protected.